Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report charts appraisals on Thursday the 20th of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at cable now for sterling dollar, and we've just had out the UK retail sales, and this did slightly disappoint and cable has fallen away. The headline numbers were slightly off, slightly below expectations, although the adjusted numbers were in line. I think the market is obviously focusing on this slight headline miss. And cable is now sort of drifting lower, and it's forming this pretty bearish candle at the moment, about 50 ticks down on the day. Once again, we haven't broken out above 56.90. 56.90 I still see as the line on a closing basis that we need to break out. 56.78 was the close, and we're now backing away from that again. You just can't make that traction, can't get that move that we need to see that breakout, and this is the candle that we've had in the reaction to the retail sales. It's just as I've started speaking, actually, it's just broken through that initial support of 56.33. We're now back below again that 38.2% fib retracement, so seemingly coming back towards 56 figure, which is a minor pivot level, you would argue. 56 figure near-term pivot level, but it certainly looks like now we're pulling away from that 38.2% fib. You then theoretically come towards the 50% level, which again is sort of middle of that range, and it wouldn't be surprising in any way at all to see a move back towards that today. Momentum indicators on this hourly chart are sort of fairly range bound still, and I think a move back towards the 50% level is likely to be seen, could well be seen. 55.58 is that level. So just again another bit of a disappointment for the sterling bulls, really just failing once more to really sort of get that impetus for an upside break, and just a little bit of negative UK data has just put the bears back in control near term, and seen the any impetus that had been potentially building just completely turned around. So it's now going to turn to the weekly jobless claims, but also the Philly Fed data, I think, this afternoon, to see exactly how this chart moves. I think if we see Philly Fed disappoint, then you could see it sort of starting to bounce again, but certainly we're not seeing any real suggestion of a breakout quite yet. So I will wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later, I think.